If you thought the first trip was wild,
What?
get ready
Okay, so we should get going.
On a big mancation.
for the craziest adventure yet.
Looks like it's gonna be an absolute corker.
Two best friends
No, I'm your Matt Damon. You're my Ben Affleck.
Really? Because I kind of think I'm more like Damon.
and one British guy
Papaya enzyme scrub? Oh, yes. The ladies prefer me smooth.
are about to discover
I'm running.
that a little adventure
I'm sorry, little buddy, but this is my backpack.
a little male bonding,
Let's never speak of this.
Oh, a little shiver down my spine.
Please don't talk. In fact, let's not talk now.
and some wild action.
You guys are gonna stay the night, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Can go a very long way.
They're coming. Oh, they're coming. Okay.
Did you two get wood? For the fire.
Yeah, whole lot of wood.
Go crazy. Go nuts. And go overboard.
Attack the river! Attack the river! Tree for wood!
Without a paddle, nature's calling. Look for it on DVD.